smells so dank. It smells like Gwinnett in here. Look at that license plate. I think it was Virginia. All right, fam, we are with Davis and his M340. We just flashed XHP Stage 3 with my custom settings. Check out the interior of this car, guys. He has the red lighting from Bimmer Code coded in. We have the sport display for the M cars coded in. And let's start it up. It's tuned on MHD, is that right?
Yeah.
Yep. That was a happy startup.
The cold start, but still sounds good.
And then after Davis makes this turn onto the highway, he'll put it into the sport setting just by shifting the knob. How's that feel?
Good.
Good.
That's
that custom settings right now on XHP. And it sounds so good. This is a B58 engine, guys. Oh! That shift was instantaneous. Alright guys, we're at that wide angle now so you can see everything. These are custom XHP settings by yours truly. Davis gets it from free because he's in the Discord, guys. He's a good friend. But if you want me to tune your car, it's $100 for the XHP settings. I'll set you up in literally 5 minutes. So yeah, cycle through at least 5th gear once you get back on the road, on the highway, so you can feel what each shift is like. We've adjusted the torque punch. We've adjusted the torque reduction. We have ignition cut timing on. He actually has drag race mode on too, so if we want to launch it, we can. It's super rainy today. This is an XDRIVE car, so we still have traction. Do you think the burbles are a little bit different? Or yeah, they are, right? Yeah, why don't you give it a little, give yourself some space.
There's some slip there.
Yeah, even with traction on. And now go ahead and try to downshift down to like 4th or 3rd. Should be pretty instant. Yeah, each shift has been pretty instant there.
Wow. You can notice an immediate difference, honestly.
Fam, welcome back. We are in Davis's tuned M340i XDRIVE with XHP and MHD as the ECU tune, XHP as the transmission tune. I just customized the settings and now we can go for a drive. I always forget to hit the gear selector button before shifting. All right, let's see what this thing hits for. We are in manual mode, Sport Plus. It's fast. That is super fast. Oh, should we go to the right?
Yeah. Bring it back up to light.
So XHP also offers XDelete. Wow, that's like rapid fast. XDelete makes these cars rear-wheel drive, so we don't have that on the car right now, so it's gonna stay in all-wheel drive, but pretty cool option, especially if you want to drift these things. What do you think? You'll go right to get on the highway or go left to get on the highway?
Either one now.
Okay.
Right's probably a little bit easier because it'll bring you back by first watch.
Gotcha. Now, if we do want to get a little schweisty, we gotta hold that down. But this is Davis's car, so I'm not gonna get too scheisty. And you let me know to get on the highway where we're going.
Yeah. Not this light, but the next one, take a right.
On the heads-up display, the speed actually turns red, guys, when you are above the speed limit, which is pretty crazy. BMW has some of the best heads-up displays in the game.
So take a right here.
It sounds so good, bro. Yeah, it's instant. It's got the clicky clackies, carbon fiber paddle shifters.
Right here.
How worn are your tires, do you think?
They're pretty worn.
Pretty worn?
Not terrible, but watch out, watch out.
Oh, sorry. Gotcha. I'm gonna put the traction back on. Because I can feel it.
Yeah, that was the first time I've ever felt my car slip earlier during that time.
Ridiculous, dude. This pulls so hard. And it shows you the cars that are on the road? That's insane. I did not know that it did that. It's like a Tesla feature. It's always done that?
Yeah, it has the adaptive cruise control. So when I'm in cruise control,
It knows where the other cars
as long as I
are?
have my hands on the wheel, like if I turn my blinker on, it'll get over for me and everything.
Dude, this car moves. What do you think it's pushing? 500 plus? Easily.
You think so?
Yeah.
I was reading online a lot of people that are dynoing, because I'm only on
900.
93,
Yeah.
so about 450
I think it's stable too. Yeah, it takes every shift. Let's see if we'll get a pop. Oh man. Dude, this is so fun. I honestly think that the transmission flash gives you like a +1 or 2 on the fun factor.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
completely changed the car.
All right, we're in 6th gear, still pulling. Oh, and when we let off, you got that bass in the exhaust. I got you. I got you.
I ain't got your brakes.
No, but your car is much lighter.
Yeah.
I think it is much lighter, even if it has 4 doors. Yeah, it's not obnoxious either, at all. Every gear was pretty smooth except downshifting into first, which is pretty normal.
Yeah, I try to prevent that at all costs.
Yeah, I mean, with automatics, with torque converters, it's not a big deal. On a PDK or a dual clutch transmission, that's when you, or a manual, you don't want to be downshifting into first. Yeah, I can adjust first gear a little bit. Is that a Huracan STO?
I don't even know what
It looks so sick. I didn't know you could change that like that.
I was messing with it one night. It was late. That's to
Is
home.
it the old one?
That's the home.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Oh, all the way.
Yeah. Let's see how much. I was actually telling you to make a U-turn to get back up there.
Is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do a U-turn. Oh, it says no.
I want you to take
Oh, we
that.
can. We can. Yeah, we can. That makes sense. Smells so dank. It smells like Gwinnett in here. Look at that license plate. I think it was Virginia. What a car. That's 6th, 5th, 4th. Third gear is downshifting into third. Very fun. Off 4th gear, a little bit of runoff on the exhaust. Come on, Q60. Yeah, the shifting is just... That is incredibly fast. It's like bang, bang, bang. What a car. The more I think about it, a Supra doesn't make sense when you can get this car 4 doors, all-wheel drive, have it tuned, and have way more luxury and technology in the interior. The Supra will never have this smart cruise control. And it won't have the leather and the finish that the BMW does. Third to 4th is a little at redline was a lot of torque into the chassis. I felt that 3rd to 4th. Yeah, it's definitely time to get new tires, I would say.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've been waiting to get these done so that I can, like I said, I need to get rid of these round flaps.
For sure. It's ridiculous, dude. first gear wants to lurch forward. Man, this is literally miles per gallon. So there's a custom 93 octane tune on there right now. Correct. Is that right? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, it feels great. He's got his left turn signal on, so let's see what he does. He might even go in front of these people. He might be turning left onto westbound I-20. Oh, he's going for it. The car didn't want to launch there.
I've tried a couple times. It's hard. I mean, you gotta like. It feels like you gotta put the brake through the floorboard. Like it's really hard. That's the only way that it's gonna kick in there.
Even just smoothly cruising, it's so fun. It's so instantaneous. This is ridiculous how fast. I've tried this cupcakery.
I have not. I think it's closed.
Oh, right there, wow. Yeah, that looks pretty empty. I don't think overall there could be a better car for performance luxury at this price point than the M340i XDRIVE, honestly. Oh man, of course they parked super close to me. Let's see if I can back up.
You gotta